We actually got a few more inches last night because of this. When I went to bed last night, all this right here was plowed. And obviously, it's not now, so. Yeah, 3 inches maybe? 2-3 inches probably. On top of the 2 feet we already got. I'll check for the exact, I'll put it in the description of the exact snowfall amount. Because Gloucester was number 1, but I can't remember the exact number. I'm pretty sure it was over 2 feet though. Yeah, look at this car here. Graveyard drifts. Look at the snow on that car. Holy shit. It's been a while since we've had a storm like this. At least 3 or 4 years anyway. Past few winters we've gotten 10 inches maybe combined. All the winters put together. And the sleet mixed in there for a little while too, so yeah, snowfall could have been even deeper. And now, supposedly, may get another nor'easter this weekend coming up with possibly 1 to 2 feet of snow, depending on the track. And it has to follow that perfect track. Otherwise, if it gets too close, along the coast here anyway, it would change everything to sleet and then rain eventually. And then too far south of us, so to sea, we don't get anything. So it has to be right in that Goldilocks zone, which is kind of amazing considering how many nor'easters we do get. I mean, they're not that rare, really. We had had the drought the past few years I was talking about, but generally, we get 1 or 2 nor'easters every winter, for the most part. Yeah, sun's shining, but doesn't feel that way because it's freezing. It's absolutely freezing. Yeah, there'll be major flooding problems if we do get that other storm, another foot, and the temperature warms up quick. Oh boy. That stream down there is going to turn into a river real quick. There's my recycling, my trash bucket. The recycling bin completely under the snow next to it there. I had to borrow my neighbor's shovel. I lost my glove somewhere though, so it sucks. Anyway, I'll keep everyone updated on the storm situation coming up. Try to keep you updated with the forecast and all. And yeah, have a good day, everybody.